A bowling alley has been part of the Antwerp community since 1957. First it was Pin-A-Rama, then Antwerp Alleys. Now Pin-A-Rama is back. The Clem family recently bought, renovated, and renamed the alley, and it has a whole new look and feel to it. Regan and Reggie Clem, brothers and lifetime residents of Antwerp, bought the bowling alley in April of 2022.
When we grew up as a kid, both me and my brother, we'd always come with our dad. He would bowl all the time, so we would just hang out, play arcades, fall asleep at the bowling alley. Just about everything was kind of like our second home, it felt like.
Regan and Reggie weren't able to officially open the alley until August of this year due to many renovations they decided to make to the building located on West Agate Street.
We just kind of wanted to give it a new, fresh feel to it, and we kind of decided to do an old diners feel. So we painted the outside and inside, we added new flooring, we put in arcades, and we just put in a new scoring system right behind us as well.
Some changes like the new logo created by Aaron Ramsire are very visible. Others, like new pin setters, are not. The Clems have also improved on the menu, combining some of the favorites from the past with new additions.
We tried to bring back from the Bob and Verge days, the previous owners back in the 80s. They really made great cheeseburgers and milkshakes, so we really focused on that. But then we also have pizza and then just a lot of fried food like French fries, mozzarella sticks, and things like that.
Pin-A-Rama also offers a variety of craft soda and beverages from Two Bandits Brewing Company. As for further improvements, the Clems are waiting for new retro booths to arrive. One day they would also like to install pins on string due to their efficiency. However, they plan to wait until the pins are considered tournament legal. Pin-A-Rama became official on October 8th with an Antwerp Chamber of Commerce ribbon-cutting ceremony. Mike Johnson and Ben Chase, representatives from the families of those who started the original Pin-A-Rama in 1957, attended that event and celebrated with the Clem family. Chase threw the first commemorative ball with Raleigh, Reggie, and Regan's father. Raleigh has also played a big role in the alley's renovation. Without their father's love of bowling, Reggie and Regan say they would not have been able to spend so much of their childhood at Antwerp Alleys, and they would not have been inspired to transform the business into the new Pin-A-Rama. The alley is now available for a wide variety of events, including youth and adult bowling leagues, birthday parties, and corporate parties. It also is available for children and families to enjoy and make memories like the Clem boys once did.
It's a welcoming place to just come in and eat if you would like to eat, or if you just want to bowl, or do both. Tried to make it as family friendly as possible.
The alley is open Monday through Thursday and Sunday from 11 to 8, Friday and Saturday from 11 to 11. For more information about Pin-A-Rama, visit their Facebook page. Aewyn McMichael, ALS TV.